Creating a Teespring account is a simple process that allows you to design and sell custom merchandise. Here's how to do it. Visit the Teespring website. Open your web browser and go to the Teespring homepage at spring.com. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the page. Choose account type. You can sign up using your email address, or you can opt to sign up with your Facebook or Google account for quicker registration. Fill in details. If you choose to register with your email, enter your name, email address, and create a secure password. Ensure that your password is strong for account security. Verify your email. After signing up, check your email for a verification link from Teespring. Click on the link to verify your email address. Complete your profile. Once verified, log into your new account and complete your profile. This may include adding payment information and customizing your storefront. Start creating. You're now ready to create and sell products. Click on Create to start designing your merchandise.